Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your phone application, then tap here, go to the settings, and then go to the Blacklist. So you can just tap here, you can add the number manually, just enter the number which you want to block and then tap OK, and this number won't bother you anymore. You can select it from the contacts list, from the call log, or from messages, and just add it like this without entering it manually. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.